Hey, you're watching English language series 14, and I'm going to do all the tenses that we have learned so far together. We have learned 12 tenses and then other infinitives and adjective rules. So altogether we have learned some 49 rules. I would like to just pick up the tenses and do it in this video. So the present 4 tenses, it's easy for you to practice them with your mouth to catch speed, to get fluency, and also mastery over the language. So I would suggest you make sure you do this rehearsal or this practice too. We will pick up the first present tense. She speaks English. वो इंग्लिश बोलती है. और we can also say she speaks good English. वो अच्छा इंग्लिश बोलती है. She is speaking good English. वो अच्छा इंग्लिश बोल रही है. She has spoken English. वो इंग्लिश बोल चुकी है. She has been speaking in English. वो इंग्लिश में बोलती आई है. Making its negative. She doesn't speak in English. वो इंग्लिश नहीं बोलती है. She isn't speaking in English. इंग्लिश नहीं बोल रही है. She hasn't spoken in English. उसने इंग्लिश में नहीं बोला है या नहीं बोल चुकी है. She hasn't been speaking in English. वो इंग्लिश में नहीं बोलती आई है. Making interrogative. Does she speak in English? Is she speaking in English? Has she spoken in English? Hasn't she been speaking in English? Same way you can make the WH interrogatives, all the 6 patterns I mean to say. Now I would like to do the past tense. She spoke in English. उसने इंग्लिश में बोला था. V2 rule. She was speaking in English. वो इंग्लिश में बोल रही थी. Continuous tense. And she had spoken in English. उसने इंग्लिश में वो इंग्लिश में बोल चुकी थी. She had been speaking in English. वो इंग्लिश में बोलती आई थी. So all the 4 past tenses. I'll make its negative now. She didn't speak in English. Did लगाएंगे तो हम पहला फॉर्म यूज़ करेंगे. She didn't speak in English. उसने इंग्लिश में नहीं बोला था. She wasn't speaking in English. वो इंग्लिश में नहीं बोल रही थी. She hadn't spoken in English. वो इंग्लिश में नहीं बोल चुकी थी. She hadn't been speaking in English. वो इंग्लिश में नहीं बोलती आई थी. Did she speak in English? Was she speaking in English? Had she spoken in English? Had she been speaking in English? Didn't she speak in English? Wasn't she speaking in English? Hadn't she spoken English? Hadn't she spoken in English? Hadn't she been speaking in English? Like that. And then the 2 WH rules are remaining. You can do that so that you are fluent with it. Now we will pick up the future tense. She will speak in English. वो इंग्लिश में बोलेगी. She will be speaking in English. वो इंग्लिश में बोल रही होगी. She will have spoken in English. वो इंग्लिश में बोल चुकी होगी. फिर she will have been speaking in English. वो इंग्लिश में बोलती रहेगी. बोलती आई होगी भी हम बोल सकते हैं. She won't speak in English. इंग्लिश में नहीं बोलेगी. She won't be speaking in English. वो इंग्लिश में नहीं बोल रही होगी. She won't have spoken in English. वो इंग्लिश में नहीं बोल चुकी होगी. She won't have been speaking in English. वो इंग्लिश में नहीं बोलती रहेगी. Same way interrogative. Will she speak in English? क्या वो इंग्लिश में बोलेगी? Will she be speaking in English? क्या इंग्लिश में बोल रही होगी? Will she have spoken in English? क्या वो इंग्लिश में बोल चुकी होगी? Will she have been speaking in English? क्या वो इंग्लिश में बोलती रहेगी? So like that, all the 4 tenses each, if you would practice, you will catch speed and have greater mastery over the rules. There is another way that I would like you to do it. These are all drill exercises to get familiar with the language, and you would be able to speak naturally without all the time stumbling and trying to recollect and then speaking very slow, and then you lose your interest in speaking in English. So if you do very good homework, at least for 3 months, as I've told you before, you would definitely be speaking confidently and fluently and effectively. So there's another way you can practice tenses. I speak in English. I spoke in English. I will speak in English. I may speak in English. So what I have done is picked up all the simple tenses and then from present to past and past to future and the possibility one. I speak in English, मैं इंग्लिश में बात करती हूँ. I spoke in English, मैंने इंग्लिश में बात की थी. I will speak in English, मैं इंग्लिश में बात करूँगी. I may speak in English, शायद मैं इंग्लिश में बात करूँगी. Now I will be picking up all the three continuous tenses. Okay, so I will take you. You are listening to my video. You were listening to my video. You will be listening to my video. You may be listening to my video. मैंने क्या कहा? आप मेरा वीडियो सुन रहे हैं. आप मेरा वीडियो सुन रहे थे. आप मेरा वीडियो सुन रहे होंगे. शायद आप मेरा वीडियो सुन रहे होंगे. Now I'll pick up the perfect tenses. We have done our work. हमने अपना काम पूरा कर लिया है. We had done our work. हमने अपना काम पूरा कर लिया था. We will have done our work. हमने अपना काम पूरा कर लिया होगा या हम कर चुके होंगे. We may have done our work. शायद हम अपना काम पूरा कर चुके होंगे. Okay, now I'll pick up the fourth tense, which is the perfect continuous tense. I will do it, pick up all the present, past and future perfect continuous tenses. So they will have been studying in this college for the next 2 years. They had been studying, they have been studying in this college. पढ़ते रहे हैं. वे इस कॉलेज में 2 सालों से पढ़ते रहे हैं. 3 सालों से पढ़ते रहे हैं. They had been studying in that college for 3 years. वो उस कॉलेज में 3 सालों से पढ़ते रहे थे. They will have been studying in this college for the next 3 years. अगले 3 सालों तक वो इस कॉलेज में पढ़ते रहेंगे. They may have been studying in this college for maybe another 5 years. शायद वो अगले 5 साल तक इस कॉलेज में पढ़ते रहेंगे. If you are not sure, you're using may have been or might have been. So in these 2 patterns, I would request you to practice half an hour each, so that you learn how to skip from one tense to another and without making any mistakes. Especially when we are conversing with someone or we are talking to people, we will have to switch from one tense to another. Like when we are talking to a friend, और कैसे हो, present tense, क्या आप कल वहाँ गए थे, past tense, आपका क्या प्लान है कि आप जाओगे कल, so future tense. So when we are talking, we need to skip from one tense to another, and this particular drill exercise in this video, if you do it, you wouldn't have much problem in speaking fluently. In fact, you would enjoy speaking fluently. Bye bye.